Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make soup in Avatar World. First, head to the kitchen area in your home. Open the refrigerator to see all the wonderful food items available. Pick out at least 3 different ingredients you'd like to use for your soup. Don't forget to grab an empty pot or a large bowl to put everything into. This is where your culinary adventure begins. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time for some preparation. Drag each food item one by one to the cutting board. Then, select the knife tool and chop each item into smaller, manageable pieces. Once everything is chopped, carefully place all your prepared ingredients into the empty pot or bowl you selected earlier. Make sure you have a good variety for a delicious flavor. With all your ingredients combined, it's time to cook. Move your pot filled with ingredients over to the stovetop. Tap on the burner to turn it on and start the cooking process. You'll need to wait just a few moments. Keep an eye on your soup. It will visibly change, perhaps steaming or changing color, indicating it's perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. Almost there. Your delicious soup is now ready. Carefully drag the cooked pot of soup to an empty serving bowl. Place this serving bowl on a table, and your avatar can now sit down and enjoy the warm, homemade meal. Remember, you can always experiment with different combinations of ingredients to create countless new and exciting soup recipes in Avatar World. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.